The Chamrider DTS425 steps into the electric bike world as a dependable long-range machine built for riders who need endurance, strength, and practicality in one compact design. At first glance, it looks rugged and ready for work, thanks to its thick 20-inch fat tires and solid frame. But once you unfold it and power it on, the real character of the DTS425 begins to show. Its 48V 25AH lithium battery stands as one of its strongest advantages, offering an impressive range of up to 125 kilometers on a single charge, an achievement that makes it attractive not only for everyday commuters, but especially for delivery riders who depend on long, uninterrupted hours on the road. Beyond its remarkable capacity, the battery is built for long-term reliability, capable of surviving more than 1,000 charge cycles while maintaining stable output even through heavy daily usage. Powering the ride is a robust motor, available in variants up to 750W or even 1000W, depending on the configuration. With a torque output of around 80 Nm, the DTS425 delivers strong acceleration from a standstill and enough power to climb slopes or carry heavier loads without feeling strained. This combination of torque and motor strength gives the bike a confident, responsive feel whether navigating busy city streets, starting and stopping frequently for deliveries, or cruising along open roads. The sturdy steel frame adds another layer of durability, giving the bike the toughness required for daily, real-world use. Even when carrying additional cargo or used for long hours, the structure remains stable and resilient. Riding comfort is elevated by the hydraulic damping system, which helps absorb vibrations from uneven pavement, potholes, or rougher shortcuts often taken by delivery riders. Combined with the fat tires, the bike handles difficult conditions surprisingly well, delivering a smoother, more stable ride across wet roads, gravel, or small obstacles. Its IPX5 waterproof rating further enhances its practicality, allowing the DTS425 to operate safely in rain or damp conditions, an essential feature for riders who may spend long shifts outdoors and cannot afford weather-related downtime. Despite its strength and reliability, the DTS425 also focuses on convenience. Its foldable design allows riders to easily store it in small apartments, transport it in a vehicle, or carry it into tight indoor spaces between shifts. Folding takes only a few moments, making it practical for people whose work or daily routine requires mobility and flexibility. The 7-speed gear system contributes to this adaptability, giving the rider control whether climbing hills, riding at higher speed, or pacing themselves to conserve battery power. Shifting feels natural, and the gears pair well with the electric assist to match different terrains and riding styles. Up front, an LCD display provides essential information at a glance: speed, battery percentage, distance, and assist level, helping riders plan their routes and manage their remaining range more effectively. For someone working long hours or navigating unpredictable routes, having clear real-time data makes a significant difference in efficiency and confidence. Every part of the Chamrider DTS425 seems tuned for riders who need a blend of endurance, practicality, and comfort. It's not just an electric bike. It's a reliable work partner designed to handle long days, heavy usage, and constant movement. Whether used for daily commuting, food delivery, or simply exploring the city with the freedom to travel farther, the Chamrider DTS425 offers a strong balance of power, durability, and convenience. It supports long-distance travel with ease, adapts to changing road conditions, and folds away quickly when the journey is finished, making it a trustworthy companion for anyone seeking performance wrapped in a compact, hard-working design.